Jackson, and I'm doing this video for my ee1000 class. This is a breadboard power supply. It fits nicely in this box here and it's secure in it. Now I'm going to open the box and I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, both lights turns on, and now I'm going to measure the power to show you the difference. The power is already on high, so I'm going to decrease it. It's on the 9 volt. Now it's on the 5, and now it's on the 3.3. I'm going to start measuring it from the 3.3 volts. As you can see, I have a 3.36 reading. Now I'm going to increase it to a 5 volts. As you can see, I have a 5.07, 5.04. Now let's move it to the 9 volts and see. Now obviously the 9 volts makes it brighter. Let's measure it to make sure it's accurate. We have a 8.9. Let me position the tip nicely. I have a 8.92 reading. Alright, thank you very much.